Hello everyone and welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. This weekend is a big game and we're going to show you guys what it takes to properly protect your ride so that it stays looking factory fresh for as long as possible. So let's jump right in. Our first step with any interior detailing job is to remove the owner's personal effects, which we've done. We bagged them up and put them in the trunk, but now we're going to move on to getting rid of the dust, the spills and messes that you see here using HydroInterior. Now, this is a quick detail spray, but it's also a ceramic infused protectant, which means that it easily picks up those messes while also adding a durable layer of protection, but without creating any kind of greasy or oily finish. But this is safe for your steering wheel, your dashboard, and any other hard surfaces on the interior of your vehicle. And again, this is just a great way to pick up the dust, the messes, while repelling harsh UV rays as well as any kind of spills. But it doesn't add any kind of sheen or shine. It just simply leaves a natural matte OEM finish that's dry to the touch. HydroInterior is also a great choice for cleaning up recent spills like this here in the center console. The owner must have spilled some type of shake and that's left this nasty residue, but this will easily help pick that up while restoring that natural matte finish. And this is also a great way to remove lingering odors because all these types of spills will start to accumulate and it just adds up to a nasty overall smell. As you can see here, it easily picks it up, it buffs dry to the finish, but it'll protect that surface from future spills and messes. And as we keep mentioning, this vehicle is going to be fairly well used and abused this weekend, having lots of people in and out of it. So we want to make sure that we protect it so that it looks its best for as long as possible. Our next step is to clean the areas that we couldn't use our HydroInterior on, such as the navigation screen as well as the gauge cluster, but this is also a great product to keep inside of your vehicle to clean up those recent messes. Our total interior wipes come in this nice, easy, resealable pouch. And again, this is just a great way to pick up recent spills and messes, but you can also use it for detailing sensitive surfaces like your touch screens or navigation screens. And also picking up the light dust and fingerprints from your steering wheel or the dashboard. This is a great way to remove the oils from your hands that accumulate on the surface of your steering wheel. You can already see that it's pulling off all kinds of gunk and grime that transfer from your hands to your steering wheel surface. All that brown nastiness that just hides on the surface because it blends in with the material. But what I would recommend doing is taking a clean microfiber towel and just buffing off any of the excess. This way you have a perfectly streak-free finish. But what's great about Total Interior is not only is it a great product to have on the go, but it also leaves a natural matte finish that's also adding protection. So it's not going to accumulate dust or attract any kind of dust, but it's still repelling harsh elements while giving a beautiful natural look and feel. And with that baby powder scent, it helps revive a much fresher and better experience for your detailing overall. But this is just, again, a great product to keep inside of your vehicle so that you can keep it looking its best for as long as possible. Moving along with our interior detail, we want to protect our soft goods such as our carpet and cloth using HydroThread. Now this is going to act as a water repellent and also a spill repellent to keep the surface looking its best while also repelling any kind of stains that could permanently damage the surface. And it's very easy to use. So we've already cleaned the surface by vacuuming it and also removing light stains using Nonsense, but now we want to protect it. And it's a simple spray on and let it dry. Just a fine mist over all of your carpet and fabric components. And then using a soft horsehair brush, we'll just gently work it in, allow it to dry and bond. And we'll let this sit for about 24 hours. And this way it'll look its best and also protect it against any kind of messes and look its best for as long as possible. Our final step is to add a cherry on top, which is going to be our Black Frost hanging air freshener. This is going to help maintain that beautiful scent on the interior as well as mask any kind of lingering odors or anything that may be tracked inside over the weekend, because we keep mentioning there's going to be a lot of people as well as food in and out of this vehicle. So we want something that's going to keep that new car really smelling great, and Black Frost is the way to go. So we're going to hang this on the interior, but in the meantime, you guys can check out all the products you've seen us use today on our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you guys like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below for any future videos or questions you may have. Also, you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.